Welcome to this guide on AWS billing and cost management. Understanding how AWS costs work is crucial for anyone using cloud services. In this video, you'll learn how to monitor your spending, set up budgets, and optimize your AWS costs effectively. AWS Billing is the system that tracks and manages all your cloud spending. It works on a pay-as-you-go model, meaning you only pay for the resources you actually use, with no upfront commitments. The billing system provides complete visibility into your spending, breaking down costs by individual services and resources. You also get access to real-time data, allowing you to see current charges and forecast future spending based on your usage patterns. AWS offers three main pricing models to fit different use cases. On-demand pricing lets you pay by the hour or second without any long-term commitments, perfect for unpredictable workloads. Reserved instances require you to commit to using resources for 1 to 3 years, but in return, you can save up to 75% compared to on-demand pricing. Finally, spot instances allow you to bid on unused AWS capacity, potentially saving up to 90%, though these instances can be interrupted when AWS needs the capacity back. AWS provides several powerful tools to help manage your costs. Cost Explorer lets you visualize and analyze your spending patterns over time using interactive charts and graphs. AWS Budgets allows you to set custom spending limits and receive automatic alerts when you approach or exceed those limits. Cost Allocation Tags help you organize and track costs by categorizing resources according to projects, departments, or environments. Finally, cost reports enable you to generate detailed billing reports and export them to S3 for further analysis. Cost Explorer is your primary tool for understanding AWS spending in detail. It allows you to view costs across different time periods, whether daily, monthly, or custom date ranges. You can filter and group your spending data by service, region, account, or custom tags to identify exactly where your money is going. One of the most valuable features is cost forecasting, which uses your historical spending patterns to predict future costs, helping you plan budgets more accurately. Setting up AWS budgets involves 4 simple steps. First, define your budget by setting monthly or annual spending limits based on your financial constraints. Second, configure threshold alerts, typically at 50%, 80%, and 100% of your budget. Third, add notification methods such as email or SNS alerts that trigger automatically when thresholds are reached. Finally, monitor your actual spending against the budgeted amounts regularly to catch any anomalies or unexpected cost increases early. There are several proven strategies to optimize your AWS costs. Start by removing unused resources like idle EC2 instances, old snapshots, and unattached EBS volumes that continue to incur charges. Right-sizing involves matching your instance types to actual workload requirements, ensuring you're not paying for more capacity than you need. Auto-scheduling allows you to stop non-production resources like development and testing environments during off-hours and weekends. Finally, use reserved instances for predictable, steady-state workloads to lock in significant discounts. AWS Trusted Advisor is an automated service that provides real-time guidance to optimize your AWS infrastructure. It analyzes your account and offers recommendations across multiple categories. For cost optimization, it identifies unused resources and opportunities to reduce spending. It also checks security configurations to ensure your resources are protected. Additionally, it provides performance recommendations to help your applications run more efficiently. Think of Trusted Advisor as a built-in consultant that continuously monitors your AWS environment. Cost allocation tags are key value pairs that you attach to AWS resources to organize and track spending by different dimensions. For example, you might use a project tag with values like web app or mobile app to separate costs by project. A department tag with values like sales or marketing helps track which teams are spending what. An environment tag with values like production, development, or testing allows you to see how much each environment costs. Consistent tagging across all resources is essential for accurate cost tracking and chargebacks. Let's recap the key best practices for AWS cost management. First, enable Cost Explorer and make it a habit to review your spending regularly, ideally weekly or monthly. Second, set up budgets with alerts to get early warnings before costs spiral out of control. Third, tag all your resources consistently from day one to enable accurate cost tracking and allocation. Finally, use Trusted Advisor regularly to get automated optimization recommendations that can help reduce your bill. Following these practices will help you maintain control over your AWS spending and avoid unexpected charges.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.